All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I real quickly wanted to go over a strategy using the super arrows. I've had a couple inquiries on the super arrows and how they work exactly. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys exactly how they work. All right, you see, the super arrows is just a series of different arrows. Here we have boom, 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 things of that nature. You see it indicates highs and lows. Okay, now when you see the market trending, they're best effective. Okay, now when you see them a bunch of arrows in the same situation, that's not really ideal, and when you want to be utilizing these super arrows. For example, right here, they would not be as effective as they are right here. Here on the weekly, they would not be as effective in here as they are in here. Now, although these are on the higher time frames, you have more pips, so of course they're going to be more accurate using the weekly and the monthly and those sort of time frames. Now when you get in here to the 5-minute, of course, something like this is not ideal until we begin to trend. Alright, when you begin to see these arrows forming higher highs and higher lows, they're most effective. For example, in this area, we had a high, we had a low, we had a lower high, we had dropping, and we had another lower high. Okay, so this indicated me sell. Sell, push down lower, we got a lower low. Successful trade. Same here in the 15-minute chart. We got a lower high, well, a double top. So when the second confirmation came on the 5-minute, it was a no-brainer. 30-minute chart, you see we're trending. We have a lower low. So in this situation, we would sell at the next lower low arrow. In a downtrend, we're not looking to buy. Okay, so in a downtrend, these green arrows are irrelevant. Okay, in a downtrend, we're only looking for sell signals. In an uptrend, we would be looking for buy signals. Okay, so it's real simple to use the super arrows as long as you understand and find the trend on any particular time frame. Okay, now when you're in trend, particularly, and you catch the trend and the arrow and the signal at the right time, you can typically hold the trade for about 7 to 8 candles. On this particular 5-minute chart, we're in trend with a deeper trend, so it's going to definitely hold for much longer than 7 to 8 candles. But typically, I want to hold my trades for about 7 to 8 candles whenever I catch these swing positions. And that's real simple, real quick way to use these super arrows. If we look here, starting at the monthly, okay, now you see where these super arrows began to turn. We can also use these as areas of support and resistance, okay, because they're previous swing positions as well. These arrows can be useful in multiple ways. Alright, so now we have, of course, another map. Alright, now using this map, we'll take this in here. We can now mark off some of these zones. Remember, with the body. All right, now you see how we're slowly getting in to where current price is at. Notice where I put my stop. Okay, so you guys see we're beginning to paint a picture using our super arrows. And that is how you utilize your super arrows. Okay, now notice how we draw a trend up here on the 1 hour, okay? So now we're just waiting for another sell signal to come in here. More than likely it's gonna come right in here and bounce off of this, typically within the next couple of hours. And that is how we utilize the super arrows. For the most part, we want to stay on the 4 hour and the 1 hour. When we get those likely signals, we want to come in here to the 5 minute and the 15 minute, 30 minute for our entries. All right. Happy trading. Use proper risk management.